In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall a Microsoft Store app. We'll be using PowerShell along with the Windows Package Manager, also known as Winget, to remove an app cleanly from your system. This is a straightforward method, but it's important to follow each part carefully so you uninstall the correct application. To begin, open PowerShell on your computer. This gives you access to the command line environment where Winget commands can be run. If you're not familiar with PowerShell, don't worry. You only need to enter a couple of simple commands for this process. Once PowerShell is open, type winget list and then press enter. This command displays the software and dependencies currently registered on your machine through Winget. Give it a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of apps installed. When the results appear, look through the list carefully and find the exact name of the Microsoft Store app you want to remove. This next part matters because the uninstall command works best when you use the app name exactly as it appears in that list. After you've identified it, type winget uninstall app name, replacing app name with the exact text shown in the results. Keep the quotation marks if the app name includes spaces, since that helps PowerShell read it correctly. After you press enter, Winget will begin a silent removal sequence. In most cases, this means the app will uninstall without asking you to click through extra prompts. Just give the process a few moments to complete and avoid closing PowerShell while it's running. If you want to confirm the app has been removed, you can run winget list again and check whether it still appears. That's all it takes to uninstall a Microsoft Store app using PowerShell and Winget.